everybody, it's Carly here at BamaRV in Dothan, Alabama. Today we are checking out the new 2026 Keystone Alpine Avalanche Edition of the 366 LS. Now this fifth wheel comes equipped with 5 slides, a rear kitchen, it sleeps 5, and it comes to just about 41 feet long. So without further ado, let's take a closer look.